First, you need to connect the power supply. Clip the black clip in the power negative pole. Clip the red clip in the power positive pole. And then the device can successfully turn on, and finally install the probe. Equipment self-check. After connecting the power supply, put the equipment slowly close to the power negative pole. Output current function display. Clamp the negative pole of the bulb with the clip at the end of the device. Hold the device upward and press the switch to output positive electricity, and slowly approach the probe to the positive pole of the bulb. Then the bulb will light up. Relay test. Connect the relay line, hold the device and press the yellow function button. If the relay test line lamp is on normal, indicating that the relay is functioning normally. Fuel injector test. Connect one end of the main unit to the fuel injector test line, and the other end of the fuel injector. The other end has two lines representing fuel injectors' different calibers. We plug the other end into fuel injector, hold the device, and press the yellow function button. We can hear the fuel injection sound from the fuel injector, accompanied by slight vibration, indicating that the fuel injector is functioning normally. Fuel injector cleaning. We connect the fuel injector to the fuel injector cleaning connector. The other end of the cleaning connector is connected to the cleaner. And finally, connect the fuel injector cable to the fuel injector. After connecting, hold the main unit with your right hand and press the yellow function button, and hold the fuel injector cleaning connector with your left hand. Note, your hands should be held tightly to prevent the cleaning connector from falling off, because the fuel injector cleaning action will vibrate, and then you can see the cleaner sprayed from the nozzle.